What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining us for another fast one here at 30 Days of VSO. I've got a real quick one that I discovered actually during cleaning. We're going to run this gun today anyway, but I thought we'd do a real quick one on how to check your AR to see if it is still in working order. And this particular one is actually toast. So this is the carrier out of my 300 Blackout SBR. We've been running it suppressed for about 3 years now, I think. And this is the original carrier. To test, we want to basically push the bolt face in, and when we throw it like that, it should come out. And it should come out relatively freely like that. Now here's the test. With it out, we want to be able to place it on the table here. It should support its own weight, and it does not. So again, we can do this, and you can see that the thing basically closes itself. Here is a bolt that is good. While I can do the throw, if I put it on the table, it supports its own weight. Well guys, that is a really quick test to determine whether you need to change components in your bolt carrier group or not. This is a really easy fix. You basically strip this bolt down, and this usually is caused by the gas rings basically burning out. They're the weak link in the bolt carrier group. It's basically designed so that that part wears out before any of the components of the bolt are damaged, and you basically rip those out, replace them, and the thing should run good as new. Thanks for joining us here today on the VSO Gun Channel. Hopefully you guys learned something. Smash that subscribe button if you did, and tell all your friends to join the fold here at the VSO Gun Channel.